Hello children, welcome back. Remember me? I am sure अब तक तो सबको याद हो गया होगा. What is my name? Right, Ashima, and I teach you English. So today first we are going to revise what we have done in the previous classes, and we are going to revise it very fast. Okay? So that you can do more things. No, if we revise slowly, we will waste time. Fine? Are you ready for revision? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. That makes it 10 and 2. 10 and 2. 10 and 2 total is 12. So we have done 12 alphabets till now. Do you know the sounds of all the 12 alphabets? I am not going to tell you if you don't know. You know it? Okay, I'll tell you once again. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says Da, E says E, F says F, G says Ga, H says Ha, I says I, J says Ja, K says Ka, and L says La. Very good. You know all your alphabets till now. Now we move forward and we go to Ma. M. Ma. 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 Repeat karo. Ma. M says Ma. M says Ma. Mama mama moon. This is capital M and this is small m. Remember, okay? Mama mama moon. Mama mama mug. Moon comes out in the night. Moon comes out in the night with stars, na? Sometimes. And then this is mug. Mug you will find in your washroom. Go and ask mama to show you a mug in the washroom. Okay? Mug and bucket. These are two friends and you will always find them in your bathroom. Okay? Mama, mama, mug. Now we move forward. Ready? I love to eat this, and very soon we are going to get it also from the market. This is a mango, and mango is the king of fruits, right? Mango. Mama, mama, mango. Mushroom. Mama, mama, mushroom. Mango, mushroom. This milk. Mama, mama, milk. Mama, mama, milk. And this is medicine. You know, when people fall sick, they have a stomach pain or they have fever, they go to the doctor and the doctor gives them medicines. Mama, mama, medicines. There are many more pictures with M, like money. Mama, mama, money. When you buy something, you give money to the person. Money. Then me. What am I? Who am I? I am your ma'am. Mama, mama, ma'am. And you know your daddy and your mummy. Mama, mama, mummy. Like these, there are many pictures that are with M. So after this, you are going to ask your mama, mama, mom and dad to show you those pictures. Okay? Do I need to revise it? No, you know it. I am sure. I am very proud of you all. Now we move forward. What comes after M? N. Na. Na 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 na. N. N says na 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 na. N says na 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 na. Na 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 na. N says na 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 na. Na 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 nest. Na 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 nest. Birds live in a nest. Birds live in a nest. Na 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 nest. Then what is this? Nose. Touch your nose, everyone. Nose. Touch your nose, everyone. I want to see. You have two nose? No. You have one nose. Na 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 na. Nose. Then next. Net. Na 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 net. Na 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 net. Nuts. What are these? These are nuts. You know, peanut, almond, walnut, pistachio. These are all nuts. These are all nuts. Cashew also, no? Kaju, badam, moongfali, akhrot. All these are nuts. These are nuts. You ask mummy whether she has some nuts at home or not, and then she'll show it to you. Okay? These are nuts. These are dry fruit wale nuts. Okay? Then what is this here? I don't have, nail. Na, nail. You have on your fingers, no? Here these are nails. And this is also a type of a nut, These nuts are there with daddy. Okay? Let daddy show you these nuts. Fine? And this is 9. Na, 9. Number 9. Number is also with N, no? Na, 9. Number 9. So we have done these two letters today, A to N. Now we've done. We finished from A to N. M और N आज किया और बाकी सब पहले कर चुके थे. So are you prepared with M and N? Okay. So you will ask mummy and daddy to show you pictures other than those of what I have made. I have made pictures, but there are many more pictures apart from these. Mummy and daddy will show it to you on TV or your mobile phone or on a laptop, और हो सकता है आपके घर में भी हो, like mug और nuts ये घर में भी होंगे ना. So you will ask mom and dad to help you identify these pictures. Okay? Good. So now is the time for some work. Do you remember the work we did last time? We did A and we did B. Did you all do it? Good children. Do it yourself. Okay? मम्मी एंड डैडी हाथ पकड़ के नहीं लिखाएंगे, आप अपने आप करोगे. अब आप बिग चिल्ड्रन हो गए हो ना. You will do your work very nicely. You will use a pencil to do your work. Mummy, daddy will make those worksheets for you and you will put it in a file folder. Okay? Now this is today's work. This is today's work. Parents, आप इधर name, class and date लिखोगे. जैसे अभी तक करते आए थे. फर्स्ट पेपर को हाफ में डिवाइड कर दीजिएगा. फर्स्ट हाफ में आप सी और कैप बनाओगे एंड दे विल कलर इट देमसेल्व्स. अपने आप अपनी इमेजिनेशन से लेट देम कलर. ओके? फर्स्ट यू विल जस्ट टेल देम टू मेक एन आउटलाइन ऑफ द पिक्चर एंड देन कलर. पिक्चर के अंदर आउटलाइन बना के, सो दैट कलर बाहर नहीं निकले. दैट विल गिव देम अ गुड प्रैक्टिस ऑफ कलरिंग. देन दे विल कलर ओनली सी साउंड पिक्चर्स. एप्पल, कैप, फिश, कैंडल, कार, बॉल एंड कप. आप ये सी साउंड पिक्चर्स इन लोग से कलर कराओगे. ओनली सी. ओके? देन यू विल टर्न एंड वी आर गोइंग टू राइट सी ऐसे. आप ब्लॉक्स बनाओगे. हाफ में आप डॉट्स बना के लिखोगे. दे विल राइट इट देमसेल्फ एंड द अदर हाफ दे आर गोइंग टू राइट इट देमसेल्फ. ओके? लास्ट एक्सरसाइज के उस पे आई हैड अ क्वेरी. आई रिपीट, अगर आपका पेपर ब्लॉट कर जाता है बाय एनी चांस, लाइक माय पेपर इज नॉट ब्लॉटिंग, आई हैव यूज्ड अ स्केच पेन, बट इफ योर पेपर ब्लॉट्स देयर इज नो इशू, यू कैन यूज अनदर पेपर. इसको आगे एक पेपर में करा लीजिए, इसको दूसरे पेपर में करा के फिर दोनों पेपर को साथ में स्टेपल कर दीजिएगा. बट राइट योर नेम एंड डेट एंड यूज अ स्केच पेन प्लीज. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस एज असाइनमेंट विद माई वीडियो. And I am going to meet you all very soon in the next class. I know you get tired studying also, but a little bit study is good and we are having fun. आप bored तो नहीं हो रहे हो ना? Good. So we will continue in the next lesson. Fine. Bye and wash your hands and keep clean.